you thought it's hard to find a good roofer, try to find a good marketer. As a matter of fact, it's so hard to find a good marketing company for roofing and contracting business that first year at a roofing process conference, if you remember, we have this rule, no marketers allowed. Why did we do that? Because we did not have many good marketers in our community. So we just closed our gates and said, you know what, stay outside. We're gonna talk, our community will decide who is allowed to be in. This year, not only we are inviting marketers to our event, we're even nominating them for Marketer of the Year award. If you are a good marketer or know of one, please reach out to us. We want to get to know you. What you're about to see is our community nominations for Marketer of the Year award. These companies don't pay us. They don't know they're being nominated. It's not pay to play. They might come or might not. If you're nominated, you're more than welcome to come and present your brand. Attend award night ceremony with us. This is Marketer of the Year award. Comment below who gets your vote. If you don't see good marketer that you recommend, also drop the name in comments below. We'll read and respond to all our comments. Enjoy.
Dave Carroll, Dope Marketing. You would have to be a total dope to avoid direct mail these days. If you want to know about how to make some serious paper by sending out paper, you can always count on an ex-convict for advice. Dave has been interviewed and visited personally by the Roofing Insights team, and he truly has some of the dopest strategies around, including the Dope 360 software that has so many tricks up its sleeve, you'd think you were doing something illegal. Number 2, Matthew Danskin, Restoration Referral System. When it comes to winning marketing awards, one of the key factors is time in the industry without a lot of complaints. In fact, it can be difficult to explain their system, but it works. It must be something to do with their having a system for getting referrals for restoration. That is just a wild guess, though. Number 3, Tim Brown, Hook Agency. In the movie Talladega Nights, Ricky Bobby has a hard time knowing what to do with his hands on camera. This is nothing like Tim Brown and team. As longtime friends of Roofing Insights, they have proven to put those hands to work on going fishing for business and hooking good leads. They have worked with companies like Apple Roofing, North Face Construction, First American Roofing, Mars Restoration, and many more. Number 4, HITE Digital. Bradley Akers is the ultimate nice guy. You haven't met a friendly face in roofing marketing. He definitely doesn't finish last though, because he and his agency have been nominated by many roofing owners in our community. He has worked with industry leaders at Ugly Roofs, Pro Seal Commercial Coatings, Wabo, and many, many more. Number 5, Elizabeth, Business 411, the Queen of Roofer Marketing. For as long as we know, Elizabeth has been involved in and helping roofers get new business. She gives back to the community endlessly by inspiring and sharing everything she knows about how to deliver value as a roofing contractor. She is a longtime friend of Roofing Insight and has come highly recommended from many in our community. Number 6, Adam Sand, Roofing Business Partner. Big Canadian Teddy Bear is all-time champion at Facebook ads, but he will bring you results with extraordinary automation skills. He is a true marketing wizard, gets shit done fast, fun to work with, and you know he knows and follows the process. Number 7, Joseph Hughes, Contractors Dynamics. This marketer is delusional and thinks he can beat Dimitri at arm wrestling at the conference, and in December he will have his chance. One thing we cannot argue about is his results with marketers. He will teach you and your team how to do it yourselves and save thousands on wasted marketing dollars by knowing enough to be dangerous. At marketing, not arm wrestling. Number 8, RYNO Strategic Solutions. Yeah, that's RYNO with a Y. You know you must be a good marketer when you feel so confident that you spell your own company's name wrong. Plus, they were nominated by Jordan Desbean, and you know Jordan doesn't give bad recommendations. The Roofing Insights Award ceremony will take place on December 9th at Mango's in Orlando, Florida from 8 p.m. till 11 p.m. during the 2021 Roofing Process Conference. You can purchase tickets at the door if you're not attending the conference.